The moon is out over Westchester County, and this is our evening walk through Yonkers, which has a very vibrant Mexicano community. And it is the Cinco de Mayo festival. We're gonna take a turn down New Main Street. We're right now on Park Hill Avenue. And Samara is checking out some of the delis and activity on the block. There she is. What'd you find, Samara?
Ryan, you were asking what do they call stores, bodegas in Mexico. I remember now. It's right here. Abarrotes.
And what is the English translation for abarrotes?
Corner market.
But it's not bodega, not mini tienda.
Correct. So we are in Yonkers.
Where is it? There it is.
Is it Mexico or Yonkers?
How
Very Mexican.
Very Mexican.
Tequila's restaurant.
And you did see, some food up here.
Yes, why not?
Something that you have seen that you think is. We tried this at the festival.
Today was guanachos, which were delicious.
Now they had beans inside.
Beans inside with like this thick tortilla, and then they put chicken, pollo, different ingredients, cheese, avocado, lettuce.
Okay, let's keep strolling New Main Street. Oh, and this is the festival that we had attended today. This is what brought us to Yonkers.
Canelo versus Ryder.
And we saw all of these great concerts in the park. And then we also saw a dance performance. Who were the dancers today?
Yes, we saw the Ballet Folklorico, which is the Mexican typical dance troops. They dance the traditional Mexican dances of Mexico. One thing about Mexican Yonkers is that the barbershops and the salons are open at like 10 p.m., 11 p.m. They're all open and they're full.
They're full.
Women are getting their hair done, men are getting their haircuts. Another thing that I noticed is that there's a mix of Dominicans in this Mexican neighborhood here in Yonkers, and they seem to get along real perfectly nice and well.
And we are strolling towards the Hudson River in this direction. We took the Metro North train to get here, which had us leaving Grand Central 42nd Street. It was only a half an hour ride to Yonkers, and it's only... And then we do have a lot of interesting shops. We will... Open? Is the salon still open?
She's getting her hair cut.
Yep, there.
Almost midnight.
Almost
on Friday
midnight.
Night.
But this is what makes me think that Samara is spot on with the Dominican neighborhoods. When I'm in Washington Heights, the barbershops are filled with men hanging out together. Now people are getting their hair cut.
That's Dominican men listening to Mexican music.
Dominican man listening to Mexican music. Next to the Mexican colored.
Who knew?
The barbershops are full. We'll keep strolling a little bit more. So it's my second time in Yonkers. I had a friend that lives here, and I was only here once to film for a documentary. And Samara keeps saying, show the bag, show the bag. This is my favorite artist from Mexico,
Riviera Maya.
Jose Posada, from Agua Calientes, Mexico. Okay. Strolling a little bit more. Hey, do you know this neighborhood, Samara?
Tijuana. I smell Mexican bread right here in this corner. Can you smell it? I smell the Mexican bread.
There is
Where
a
is it?
bakery
It's
that
here.
we did pass.
Oh, it's gotta be right here. Oh my God, I can smell it all the way down the corner.
And a lot of the shops here had pastries from the same bakery. Okay, we did go in there.
Open.
The other thing that made it feel like a Mexican neighborhood was, what did we see in a lot of the shops? The tables.
Oh yeah.
People playing cards.
House for rent. Let's see what they are.
How much does it cost to live in Yonkers?
$2,200 a month.
For a full casa.
Yeah. 2 bedroom, 2 bath.
Westchester life can be yours.
Maximum flat.
Now we did love, here it is. This is the one we went into. What are those for? You had
You can
mentioned.
drink champurrado out of that, or beans out of this.
And you did buy one of these.
You drink cheladas out of this.
You did buy one of these hats?
Yes,
What brought you?
I bought that little hat back there for my Barbie dolls. Dressed them up Mexican.
And so we went into this shop, and this is how we had to visit all of them, because they had the cookies, they had the snacks, they had the Guadalupes, and they had the posters. What else did you find in there?
All the candies, sweet candies. That's for beans. You can make aguas frescas and put them in there, like horchata.
So let's wrap it up here, because I want to do some more shopping, and we'll finish on the poster, because this is the great event. Oh, I didn't say one more thing of why I chose Yonkers. Yonkers has a really big Independence Day celebration for Mexico, and they had one of my favorite singers, a regional singer, Victoria La Mala. And I figured if they're bringing in big names, this would be the event to go to. Because we had other options. We were thinking of Union City. We both love Union City. We were thinking of Queens. But I was like, wait a minute, I gotta see what's going on in Yonkers. So I want to thank everybody who puts together this festival, because that is what brought us here today. And that's a quick, and we will be back. That's just a quick, we'll be back in September, if not before. That's a quick walk through Yonkers in May. Till next time, keep exploring.